Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you exactly how to get web design clients as beginner in 2025. Whether you are just starting or freelancing part-time, this step-by-step process will help you. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you just need to build a simple portfolio. Just need see what you can do. It is for the client, and you can create 2 or 3 demo website using free tools like WordPress, Wix, and Webflow. You can include different type of business site. For example, it could be plumber or restaurant, a blog or personal brand, and e-commerce demo here. So you can use tools like Canva to design a simple brand for your portfolio. You can host your work on your own domain. For example, you could purchase your domain or your name, that your name is that harry.design, or use a free platform. So now you can define your niche here. It is an important thing, like niching down help attract the right client. For example, of niches, like you are looking for real estate agent, you just need to search real estate agent, and you will get couple of website in here, and you can mention a specific city, and from that place you will see sponsor one. You just need to be see and website that is not a sponsored one, and once you find out, then you just need to contact with the client or with the owner. And you can also go with the niche like fitness coach or local service business, plumber salons. The benefit, you will get like easier to speak with their language, and client feel like you are an expert in their industry. So you just need to be research about the niche, then you can tell them that you can do this kind of a thing in that niche. Let me give you a tip that add in your portfolio that I help in real estate niche, or I help plumber get more clients with modern websites to your site. You can set up social proof, like even if you have no clients yet, you are allowed to build trust. You can create a mock testimonial or ask friend to try your free site and give honest review. As here you will see that they have a couple of reviews. Here you can see it. You just need to provide the reviews here, and you can add trust elements to your website. For example, you can name, face, and bio. You can give about me sections, case study of your demo project, and social media links like LinkedIn and Instagram also. Now let's talk about how you can offer free or discounted project. To get your first few clients, like real clients, you can offer to build website at a low cost or even free in exchange for testimonials. So it is an absolutely working for everyone. So you can try this method. Then focus on local businesses or connections. For example, I will design your site for free. Just give me a testimonial and let me showcase it. This builds credibility and refers fast. Don't overdo free work, 2 or 3 client max. Then you can outreach and send cold message to them, like look for outdated website in your niche. You can use Google Plumber near me or browse Yelp. So it's sometimes this string works so much, so I suggest you to use this string in your Google and check if the site is mobile friendly and modern, and then send a short message. Hey, I am a local web designer. I notice your site could use a refresh. Like, let me see, give you the message what you actually need to be sent. So here I will go to the docs, and then I will write it for you. You just need to be copied as it your niche. So hey, I'm a local web designer. I noticed your site could use a refresh. I would love to show you what I can do. No pressures. This is an engaging message, so you can use this one, and this builds credibility and referrals fast for you, and it's offer a free homepage redesign preview to work them in your business. Then you can leverage freelancer platform like join platform like like Upwork, then freelancer, and then Fiverr. Here you can see it, and you can create a strong profile with your demo work, and you can use titles like I will design, will be a title for you, I will design a modern website for your small business. And you can see this is the title, you can use it in your Fiverr, freelancer, or Upwork, and then you can apply for beginner friendly job with low competitions. Over deliver to get 5-star review early. Then into the last step, you can use social media to get clients. Start a personal brand on Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook groups. Post before and after design and share tips like 3 ways to improve your website conversations and 1 mobile friendly design methods in 2025. And you can add web designer DM me for website help in your bio. This is really working. Like you can use this method for your business to engage your social media to get more clients. Now let's give you last tip, that is turn clients into referrals. Like after finishing a client project, ask for a testimonial always and offers a discount. And also if they refer someone, you will give them more discount. You can tell them, then you can stay connected. Clients might need updates or other service. One happy client can bring 5 or 10 new clients for you, so always give a real work that will benefit it for you. So let me give you final tips in here, that be consistent always. Getting clients takes effort, but it is worth it. Then start small, build experience and rise your rates, and stay learning always. Design trends evolve quickly every time, so you just need to don't underestimate this kind of a thing. This tip will be an really amazing tips for you in near future when you will start your business. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Drop a comment if you want help crafting your first client pitch. Thanks for watching, and go get those clients for you.